Hello friends, today we will know most important benefits of eating melon seeds. Along with fruits, melon seeds are also important. The kernel inside the seeds is tasty to eat. It is used in place of almond and pistachios. These seeds are used to prepare thandai in summer. The kernel of the seeds is nutritious and healthy. Protein and fat, edible acids found in abundance in melon seeds. Its seeds are memory enhanced. Grinding 5 grams of melon seeds and mixing sugar candy in it and consuming it regularly with milk develops intelligence and physical strength. Grind melon seeds and fry them in ghee, consuming 2 to 4 grams of it in the morning and evening. Cures disorders like sleeplessness, dizziness, laziness, etc. Melon seeds are also eaten after drying. Dry melon seeds are a type of dry fruits and are also beneficial for your health. Melon seeds contain vitamin A, C and E. If you have diabetes, you should consume melon seeds. They are beneficial in type 2 of diabetes. It also keeps the heart healthy. Omega-3 fatty acid present in melon seeds is beneficial for vegetarians. Melon seeds should be consumed to lose weight. It also frees you from fat and cholesterol. It also removes the problem of constipation and also cures the problem of digestion. Minerals found in melon seeds eliminate stomach acidity. Melon seeds can also be eaten by adding them to halwa or sweets. Melon seeds contain high amount of protein. This amount is 3.6%. The same amount of protein is also found in soya. Therefore, eating melon seeds is very beneficial in summers. This fulfills protein requirement of our body. When compared to other summer fruits, it is found that melon contains more vitamin A, C and E. These 3 vitamins are found in very high quantities inside the melon as well as its seeds. If you consume melon, then your eye health will be very good because the vitamins are considered very good for the eyes. If you want to lose weight, then melon seeds can be an ideal means for this. It contains very less amount of sodium. It is also free from fat and cholesterol. At the same time, it provides very less calories. Melon seeds can be used as dry fruits. You can add it to halwa or sweet. Melon seeds can also be eaten like this. Apart from this, you can easily eat melon seeds by mixing them in your salad, vegetable. To get such a similar, small and great Ayurvedic information at home, like the video and subscribe to the channel.